Hey there, this is Michelle Pesco-Solido. In today's training, I want to show you how to create a custom audience using your Facebook Ads Manager. So when you're in your Facebook Ads Manager back office, there might come a time where you want to do something that's called create a custom audience. And all that simply means is you're going to upload a list of email addresses, or you're going to upload a list of some phone numbers, or you're going to upload some unique IDs, which is the Facebook. When you have a personal Facebook account, they assign you an ID, and it's called a UID. So you're going to have the option to do many of these, but I'm going to show you today the different options that you can do and show you how you can take advantage of creating an ad and targeting that specific audience, that list that you're going to be uploading. So if you're in your back office of your Facebook Ads Manager, you're going to see on the left here called Audiences. Click on Audiences. And once that loads up, you're going to see that there's an option up here on the right called Create an Audience. Now, I've already created one, but I'm going to show you the process of how you do it. So go Create an Audience, and if you use MailChimp, you can upload a custom audience using MailChimp, or you can use a data file, which is just a CSV file. So you might have an autoresponder that you have a list of subscribers in, and now you want to create an ad and you want to target those people. Maybe you have some sort of product or an offer that you've emailed to your list of subscribers, but you're worried they're not opening that email, but now you want to target them on Facebook. You want to create an ad and you want to target them. And this is where the custom audiences really comes in handy. So I'm going to click on Create It, and you're going to name it. So let's just call this my test audience. And you're going to want to just name it something for your reference, and then a description. What is that audience? Is it an audience that has opted into a health and wellness letter that you've sent out, or is it an audience that had opted into some sort of product offer that you have presented to them? So just add a description here. This is only for you. So test description is all I'm going to put there. And then you need to select, are these emails that you're uploading, are they those UIDs, user IDs that Facebook assigns? Have you maybe used third-party software out there and you have scraped some IDs out there? This is where you're going to choose that. Are they phone numbers? So what's going to happen here is Facebook is going to go out and they're going to match. If you have uploaded emails, then they're going to match those emails to the registered emails that people are using on Facebook, and that's going to be the audience that you would target. And all you're going to do is click Choose the File, and then you can come over to, I think that I have one here that I could actually look for. There we go. So I've got one in here somewhere. Here we go. I've got some leads. Well, that one's, no, will that work? Yeah, that'll work. I'm going to click on that. And then what's going to happen is now you have gone out onto your desktop, you've grabbed that CSV file, now you're uploading all those, in this situation, emails to Facebook, and you're going to click Create an Audience. Now, once you click Create an Audience, you're going to see a page like this. It's going to show that you have uploaded that, and it's going to probably show waiting in the status area. Now, I did this example right here about an hour ago, at 2 o'clock. So I did it about an hour ago, and now it's ready, and it's uploaded 4,500 people. So now I can go in and create an ad and target all these people, my subscriber list, my emails that I've just uploaded to Facebook. So this is a really powerful, powerful strategy for those of you that have a subscriber list and now you want to get your offers or your status updates or your coupons, whatever kind of ad you're creating on Facebook, in front of them on Facebook, whether that be in a form of an ad on the right side or maybe a newsfeed ad. You have all kinds of options that you can do with that. But in this particular tutorial, I'm just showing you how to create a custom audience, how to upload those, and the options that are available to you. So I hope that you got value out of this, and I will see you in the next training video. Bye-bye.